Hi guys, this is Tech Sense with Samuel. You're welcome to my channel once again. And on this episode, I have a wonderful personnel, someone that has been in the field for so long, in his field so long. So I told you in the past episode, I'm going to be coming with a professional, people that are good at what they do. And today, I have another professional, someone that is good when it comes to fashion modeling. So, see, sir, please can you introduce yourself?
Hi guys, I am by name Victor Agi, and I'm a fashion model and also a stylist. Thank you.
All right. Welcome to my channel. So,
Thank you.
I have been curious for some weeks now. I want to know some important thing when it comes to technology. Is technology making our life more better, or is making it otherwise? Is it making our life good or bad? So, when it comes to your field. So I'm going to be directing the question to your industry. So my
Okay.
first question is this: do you think technology is improving our quality life?
Yes, of course. Technology has improved our quality life in many ways.
Okay,
Yeah, communication is now faster,
okay,
and opportunities are wider, of course, and creativity is more accessible. And however, we must use it intentionally so it enhances our lives instead of controlling our time. And if not well controlled,
okay,
it
okay.
can be used in the wrong way.
All right.
Yeah.
Thank you very much. So my next question is this: as a model, has social media help or harm society more when it comes to your industry? As social media, the use of social media, has it help or harm society more?
Well, it depends. It also depends on how we choose to use
To
social
use it,
media.
yeah.
You understand? Because it all boils down to personality or
Mm,
personal what we choose to go out there to consume. You
mm.
understand? So we should be careful. We should more focus on the positive aspect of consuming social media. In ways that it helps positively in
Okay.
our personal careers and endeavors.
All right. Thank you very much. The next question is this: do you think technology is making people less social in real life?
Yes, because these days people spend more time on their screen,
Mm.
and they rather just be at their
Speed,
house, their
yeah.
space, and use their phone, and then that alone is already an antisocial
Mm, mm, mm.
behavior. So people forget that it's actually needful for you to go out there and meet people and all that. So with technology, people now prefer their personal space and then be on their screen and scrolling all throughout, and then they forget to socialize.
Okay. This next question I want to ask you now is it's supposed to, or will I say, I'll be expecting two responses from you: the positive side and the negative side. When it comes to technology in your industry, has it changed anything positively or negatively? As technology, has it changed anything when it comes to fashion modeling? Has technology brought about change positively or negative?
Positively, yes, it has.
Okay.
It has been used as a channel for as an open door for diverse talents out there,
Okay.
and it has also negatively. It has negatively, yes, because with the use of AI,
Mm.
AI now is taking the works of we model. AI can now generate a modeling
Mm.
gig, a modeling shoot, and commercial that we models do. AI now do all that stuff. So negatively, yes.
Okay. All right.
Yeah.
Thank you very much for that response, because that's exactly what I want to hear. Because some of the people have questioned, have interviewed rather. I got to understand that if without their own intervention, there's nothing AI can do. AI will do its own parts and they will do their own parts. But I think in your own case too, like you said, it has an effect, positive and also the negative part.
Yeah.
Thank you for that response. So my next question is this: as a model, a fashion model, do you think technology makes young people more confident or insecure?
Well, like I said earlier, it all depend on your personality.
Okay.
Yeah. Some people have a low self-esteem,
Hmm.
and so when they cannot have access to some of these gadgets and tools, it gives them some kind of mental imbalance,
Hmm.
and so it's actually the negative aspect of technology as in the lives of youngins in today's society.
All right. Thank you very much.
Yeah.
The next question is this: as a model again, I need to direct the question to you so that when you're giving me a response, I want it to come out from your industry and to know if it is making life better or otherwise. So, is AI, artificial intelligence, a threat to you as a person or an opportunity for creativity as a model? Is AI using artificial intelligence, is it a threat to you or an opportunity for creativity?
AI is not a threat to me
Okay.
because as a model, as a creative, AI cannot do some kind of things that I do.
Hmm.
For instance, now a fashion show, AI cannot come and walk the wrong way. You
Hmm.
understand? So AI cannot. It's not a threat in the modeling space because I, as a model, I go for shows and events, and I go for the wrong way. AI cannot do that. So
Okay.
AI is not a threat to my personal career as a model.
All right. Thank you very much for that response. So we want to understand that AI is not a threat when it comes to fashion model industry, because when it comes to the runway show or the fashion show, AI cannot come out and do the
Exactly.
physical work women will do. So it has limits to what
You can do.
it can do. So
Yeah.
I want to believe from this industry, AI has its own parts and the negative part it can do. And as you can see, most of the thing from what he has been saying, the positive side is more than the negative part. So the next question is this: do you believe technology is helping or damaging mental health? Is technology helping or is damaging mental health as a model?
Mental health. Technology is helping. Is helping in the sense that when you consume it in the right way,
Hmm.
you know you when you go to the internet and social media, you can consume good content and good articles that can help your mental health. There are so many things that are out there that can help you, gain a mental balance, and it has been technology that's made it possible.
Okay.
So yes, uh,
All right. Thank you very much. Okay. From what you said, I think what I could pick out and what I learned from it is that it now depends on the way you
consume
consume it. A lot of content are out there.
it. Yeah.
If you choose to pick the one that will help your life, it's there. And if you decide to pick the one that will deal with you mentally,
Mentally.
so it's also there. So it now depends on the one you want to, because there's no how you know that this thing is not good for you or this thing is not good for you. You don't need to spend much. Just throw. A lot of content out there, they will tell you this is plus 18.
Yes.
This content is not your it's not meant for you. Well, you don't need to spend much time on. Just go to the one that will help
That will help
you a
you.
lot. So, and all these social media platform, when you go to LinkedIn, you going to LinkedIn, there's what you're expecting from LinkedIn is different from what you get from Instagram, and
Yes.
what you get on Instagram is different from what you get on TikTok.
Mm.
So it now depends on the one you want to consume from what you say. Okay, thank you very much for that response. So my next question is this: are you worried as a model that in the next 5 years technology will take over your industry or it will replace people's job? When it comes to your industry now,
Yeah.
are you worried that in the next 5 years technology will replace or it will take your job?
Well, yes, in a kind of way because the other day I was scrolling on Instagram and I saw that AI actually, did everything, and like the photo shoots.
Mm.
Like a designer's piece was modeled and by AI,
Mm.
perfectly.
Wow.
It seems so real, and I'm like,
Wow.
wow, imagine this. So that means for all these years I've been putting in work, trying to get this skill,
Mm.
putting together, and then an app just, from nowhere now. I come on and I see an app doing everything so
In
perfectly.
one less than
Yeah,
1 minute.
less than 1 minute. So it's actually a threat in the next
Okay.
5 years, because only God knows how it's going to evolve from now.
Okay. All
Yeah.
right. Thank you for that response, because that's the part I've been wanted to hear, because a lot of positive response have been coming out from most of my interview, which I'm curious also to know, is it that the part technology is doing is just a negative, I mean, it's the positive side. There's no negative part that is the technology brings,
Yeah.
which from what you said, I got to realize that at least in the next 5 years, a lot of people might be replaced when it
By
comes to
AI.
AI. A
Yes.
lot of job might be replaced when it comes to
Yeah.
AI. So my next question is this: as a model, has technology made life easier or more stressful for you?
Yes, it still all depends on how I control it. So
Okay.
yes, with a good discipline and control, it
Okay.
makes life better, and
Okay.
also worse when it controls us.
Hmm.
So I'd rather just stick to the positive aspect and be disciplined on what I choose to consume on this space.
All right. Thank you very much. The next question is this: what advice would you give to young people about using technology when it comes to your
Um,
field?
Well, just the other day I was scrolling on the internet and I saw that Australia has, banned the use of phones
Okay.
for kids who are under 16 years old, and I
Hmm.
feel like that is a good decision
Okay.
taken by the government, because to some extent I don't know, the kids of nowadays, they all have their phones and their iPad, which I'm
Hmm.
not saying is a bad thing,
Hmm.
but I mean, they can have those gadgets, but what about the sites that they choose to go into, the kind of content that they choose to consume?
Hmm.
The parents, are parents aware of those sites that the children that they go into? So I don't think the kids that are underage have anything to do with phones and what have you.
Okay.
If you ask me, I
Okay.
mean, it's good and important in some kind of ways, but if they're going to use it, then with a greater and higher control. Yeah.
Okay, greater and higher contracting. I
Yeah.
love that part. When it comes to technology, even if young people will use it, I
Yeah.
think it should be controlled by the parents.
Yes. Yes.
So, okay, I think I get that part. So, thank you very much, Mr. Victor. The last question is this that I want to ask on this episode. So, we are here till now. Don't forget to like this video. If you are new, don't forget to subscribe. And this is Mr. Victor, a fashion model. So my last question is this, Mr. Victor. In one sentence, is technology making life better or worse when it comes to your industry?
Yes, when it's well controlled,
Okay.
and worse when it's controls
Okay.
us, because a lot of people, get addicted to social media,
Hmm.
and they forget their personal endeavors, and things that they should do. So they should go about. There are people who hold their phone and they scroll for the whole day,
Hmm.
forgetting that life is not just all about that.
Hmm. Hmm.
So with control and discipline, we should learn how to control how we consume technology.
All right, you've heard from a professional when it comes to fashion design or fashion modeling. When a device or an application is well controlled, it helps. It now depends on the way you consume it.
Control.
He has said a lot, and I've actually learned a lot from him. So, like I said, if you are here to this moment, don't forget to like, comment, and share to some of your friends. And if you are a model or you have something to do with fashion modeling, you've heard what Mr. Victor has said, and the usage of technology. You need to control. Know what you are checking, know what you are consuming as a model. Make use of technology,
Positive, on a positive
the
aspect.
positive part. Make use of technology the way that we affect you positively, add knowledge to you. So thank you, Mr. Victor, for
Thank you,
coming
sir.
to share your knowledge when it comes to technology, using of technology. I don't know if uh, when it comes to your industry, or if you have anything to offer. I mean, I know you have a lot of things to offer. If someone wants to contact you, or they want to get to know you, or they want to contact you, how would they contact you, Mr. Victor,
Well,
as a model?
my name is Victor Agi, and I'm a model, Abuja-based model, and you can follow me on on Instagram at Vic Agi underscore style, and that'll be all. Thank you.
All right, thank you very much. I'm going to see you in the next episode. Don't forget to like, comment, and share. The next episode is going to be wonderful because I'm going to be coming up again with another professional. Thank you very much. This is Tech Sense with Samuel. See you. Bye.